Happy Thursday morning, folks. We got a lot going on today, so let's get to it real quick. Markets are down after that relief rally we saw yesterday. Markets rallied in a big way. Closed out the session yesterday anywhere from 2.5% to 3.5% higher in the Nasdaq. Those tech stocks really rebounding hard again after some of the selling pressure we've seen in the previous few days with everything going on in Ukraine and Russia. Now today's a big day because we're reverting back to, while obviously Ukraine and Russia still very big news and the markets are laser focused on that. We've also got a number of inflation related economic data points coming out today, one of which is CPI, came out this morning at 7:30 Central Time, 8:30 on the East Coast, higher than expected, 7.9% annualized inflation, big number. We've also got the European Central Bank, which is speaking at this exact moment with their policy announcement around what they're going to do with interest rates in the Euro region, as well as their response to everything that's going on with Ukraine and Russia. Still seeing inflation in the Euro, much like we're seeing in the US. So it's going to be interesting to see how they get out in front of that, or if they get out in front of it with any rate hikes. Now, looking at the markets again, heading in today, we're seeing stock market pull back after this inflation number. Dow Jones down 350, S&P's down 40, Nasdaq down 160. That's a 1% move across the board. We're seeing crude oil, which was just bananas yesterday, massive sell-off, bounce back this morning up 5%. That puts WTI at about $114 a barrel. FX, we've seen some dollar strength off this inflation news this morning. So weakness in the euro, weakness in the pound. It's going to be another busy day. We've got a lot of volatility across multiple markets. Let's be ready. Let's trade some price action. Everybody have a great Thursday. I'll see you again tomorrow to close out the week.